Alright, after that last video, I decided to get back to it and hit up the Lowe's again. Got a whole bunch of supplies and things so I can get the rest of this storage container area back here built out. And yeah, just getting on it and making it happen. Gonna hop into it right now. Enough talking from me for now. Enjoy.
Well, it's Tuesday, and I just felt the temperature drop about 10 degrees, which means that's what's coming our way. Hopefully it's just a quick little down spurt because I'm out here working on the camper today. As you saw just a second ago, just cut the first part of the rear bench storage area. Currently doing some mathematics and measuring some stuff for it. But I might have to put it on slight hold for about an hour or so. Feels fantastic. It's been in the 80s during the summer here in Houston, so standing out here with the fans running, all of a sudden I felt a cold breeze come through the camper and I was like, oh, hi, that's nice. Okay, I'd say this has been a really big success today. Finally got all the scrap cedar from the cedar fence sanded down. Got the boiled linseed oil on it. Got those attached up with those little screws that go across on the bottom. This area here is actually open and will remain open because the bed will be going right there. So that will be hidden behind the couch. So couch is coming from about the line where that one door is all the way down. It's the best use of space that I could possibly pull off with the limited, space. Right now I've got some of my tools and stuff in here. It's gonna be a good place for the bedding. But this right here is cedar. The back side of it I didn't actually seal up, so it'll have the cedar effect for the anti-bugs and stuff. This whole top here is all cedar. Some of these sticks in here as well. This stick here, that one, this one, and some other places throughout here. Those are also cedar as well. So, cedering it out in here. Never a bad thing to say no to bugs. I'm really happy that I was able to get this whole piece right here. Was one piece from this side over here all the way over. It's all one big piece. And this whole piece right here is just one single board and goes all the way across. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get some wood filler for here and here and here. Something that's stainable so I can actually use it. Not sure whether or not to do a dark stain like a walnut, or not a stain, a dark wood filler like a walnut, or just a regular wood filler that's stainable. Let me know what you guys think. I'm kind of leaning towards maybe a dark stain, but I'm not really sure. But that's what the sealant looks like when it's done, so a little before and after there for you. Got a plug. Got to make a hole somewhere in this back spot right here, so when it's closed, I can have my cord run down in between there without it catching someplace. It's not going to be there all the time. It'll be hidden underneath the bed, so I'm not worried about it looking all that great. I'm toying with the idea of actually putting a hole so I can grab it, but I'm really not having any problem lifting it up on its own. When the bed gets put in, the mattress will come to about here. That's why I measured it for right there. So this whole door is going to be hidden underneath the mattress. But as I'm going to be keeping bedding under here, I'm not going to need access to this regularly. This one I'm not sure. But one thing I've always heard from anybody that does teardrop campers is you can never have too much storage space. So taking advantage of this weird angled piece back here from that kick out, figured irregular items such as bedding, pillows, and the like would probably be a good thing for back here. That and the added advantage is everything's dual purpose. It's a nice bench. It's perfect height for sitting, and my head doesn't hit the ceiling. So added bonus is we can use that for a spot to sit. Anyway, thanks for sticking it out with me, guys, and thanks for watching.